as me tell you, most dancehall acts, they will lie. Like the reason why me lash out against enough artists, because they do not rate selectors. That's why they have to rate Matterhorn. Me no know no artists. Even the older artists them, like the big man them when me grew up on. You know say from me a little youth I grew up. You know say that's why people think say me old, but true me look young. You notice what they say to me sometimes is Mr. Matterhorn them address me as. Ask any one of them. What boss? Mr. Matterhorn. I'm not lying. Coming to tell lie upon with history. People want to rewrite history and take out what makes them look bad. Just like the Bible. I read the Bible, but I don't follow everything in the Bible because the Bible is a big facade. The Catholic Church mess up the Bible. Certain things that made the Catholic Church look bad, they took it out. You understand? And even governments, the Bible contradicts from time to time. So even King James, that little fucker, King James took out things, a lot of things out of the Bible, because what was said in those scriptures and those verses actually a lick out upon theme reign of tyranny. So they excommunicate that out of the Bible. And such is our dancehall artists. Every dancehall artist lies about their past, but yet still these fuckers love to cling like, yo, me know hungry, me know poverty. That's just a figure of speech. Alright, me know hungry. Me the hungry. Yeah man, me know them days when me used to have it. Boom, I write for God, the studio. You see it? They will talk about that, but yet still, the person who remind them of them hungry little fucking days, they try to excommunicate that person and act like they never had and run in with that person, a run in or an altercation with that person, or no knowings of that person. They erase that from their whole being of being this super entertainer. I'm a superstar now. So these fuckers will dissect the part that seemed to them as a cancer to them. But yet still, you will talk about, I've been sick before, I've been through illness. But yet still, you want to eliminate the real essence of what links you to being sick. So dancehall artists, they will talk about the struggles. When me just did a come in at the business, me get some fight and they will say that, but they will not. They will eliminate anything will really associate them with their past. For instance, Matterhorn. I'm going to use me as a prime example. Out of all of these fuckers that I bust in my musical career, did you know it's only 2 people in the dance hall where me bust? 4 people in the dance hall that I bust. Me response to Uno. Me bill Uno. It's only 4 of them out of hundreds. Only 4 ever refer back to Matterhorn as the man who brought me to the forefront. 1, them give who them want to give credit. Why you think over the years me and Bounty Killer have war and it can't fix? Why you think? Because when some of these fuckers give him credit where work I did, he took the credit and tough up him blood clot ugly face like, bitch, don't do that. Don't ever do that. Don't don't take credit for what you didn't do. Kind of the long run, you're just a hypocrite. And a years, me watch these fuckers do it, but true is a part of the business. I came into the business and avoid it and ignore it. But the truth is the truth. Artists give people ratings who they want to give ratings. And the person who really forget the ratings, they shun it and hide the light from that person, because we don't want you to know that that person here. Because me say it and some fans get vexed and me tell them go suck your mother, because the truth is the truth. How you know the fucking artist there? How you know the artist there? It's not the artist where you follow back and make you know him. It's the selector who play him make you know him. Cause you wasn't at every fucking show. Like, remember in a pandemic, I talk my mind and some people they vex. Butler, my brethren from Atlanta, they vex. When me I say, Vibes Cartel, and me, boss Vibes Cartel and Links, and Trooper, boss Vibes Cartel. And me have to proof them. And then them did a try to chat off them out, and me just lick them with facts and proof. And say, no boy can't tell me nothing. You can't rewrite my history. Because my history is documented, so you cannot lie about the history. Like everything was bust from 97 come right up to the 2000. Other than some little country artists where Ricky Trooper and Squingy and Pink Panther bus. Every Mama Bomber Rascal to bus in the dance hall from 1997 come right up to 2000 and say 2010. And Matterhorn bust them. Matterhorn responsible for them. No care how big them think them is or them name. And me response to them. Cause me run dance hall. And me are the hottest, the biggest, the baddest, the most powerful Jamaican selector from them time till now. So do the maths. If you in the dance hall, make we do a ear, make we pick a ear. Make we pick a ear. Make we pick a blood clot ear. Alright. Why you think me have a problem sometimes? Me have to say, Baby Sham, you know I never yet hear you come out and say to one Matterhorn. And me live for see Baby Sham, they are culture clash and say Fire Links, Fire Bomber Clot Links, my rival, response for Baby Sham. I'm saying, you know, them things that I want to come going and just bust up some shot. Come here and say, what the blood clot me just a hear? What is me just a hear? Remember, me see the clipping in and I say, really? But you see true, I'm a superhuman being. I'm above these things, but sometimes I just talk about it when I remember. Like, yeah, and me not talk nothing when I have no proof. When them had the clash with Chris Diamond them and the whole of them and the one where them robbed Chris Diamond at Jamaica, the last Red Bull competition, they said Fire Links. And me remember, cause Jamaicans act like them blood clot memory part, only remember what they want to remember. And me no work off of Jamaicans. Me remember every fucking thing. Let me do the match now. 1999, 98, 99. When Baby Sham a boss, every fucking Baby Sham had to come through Matterhorn's hand. That means I am the first one who is going to be playing these songs at any fucking event. No argument, no night. The first time Groundsman play was 99 Polo Club. Delano's Revenge. That's the first time. Me and them no grounds, man. So me have a frowns, man. The first time that song ever played. Nobody knew what that song was saying. Not even myself. I didn't even know what the song was saying. Dave Kelly bring the song to me and said, this is your mission tonight. Mental ill to kill. And him give me the fucking record, because I'm going to cut it on a record. And I stopped the dance because me have a photographic memory, you know. Alien brain, you know. And I said, what up? Revenge. I do not, I'm about to play a song. Rachel, it was there. I do not know what this song is saying. But the artist who do that song, yeah, is a bad artist and known to do pure bad song. The producer is known to be a bad producer. So let us analyze what this song is saying. And we are going to tell if it bust or it not bust. If it make it or it not make it. All my sound and the crowd say, yeah, I'm going to put on the song. And the record go, a young ear. And this is the crowd stand up. I'm looking at the crowd, they're looking at me. I'm doing the same thing as them because Shabba said, DJ is cock up and the mere boom rhythm. So all I with the pan. The first couple line, no line from the song, just the rhythm. Me and them no grounds, man. So me and the whole fucking crowd. So you know, it hurt my heart when me hear the Dave Kelly camp, Baby Sham them, Wadi, a Red Bull, say, Firelinks. And I'm like, so Firelinks, did I play the blood clot song them over fully loaded? You see it? People will try to rewrite your history in the future and not forget, and forgetting that, no, you can't do it like that. There are people who are still alive who fucking knows the truth. So, oh no, wait. Firelinks never bust yet. Firelink never bust till when him betray Matterhorn 2000. And then we have to kill him everywhere. And this was when Firelinks, their country, I play bodyguard still. And I never know him at all. But yet still, me come out and hear Uno say Firelinks. So a Firelinks bus Babylon boy, they tune them pan broke out, bug, and all of these things. I got me bumbleclot to know. That's why I tell you, say, these fuckers hide the true nature of their history for hide where them want hide and big up who and glorify who them want glorify. And I'm like, how the fuck? Big up Firelinks, but you never even did it. No way, did it. So when Matterhorn play all these tunes, remember we are talking about fully loaded. Alright. I say a thing, Butler they take me up on it. But forget that Matterhorn is a living legend. So I have the data and all the information and the intel in my brain, and nobody in dancehall cannot argue with Matterhorn because I keep facts. I keep a library at the dance hall. I document it and it's factual because I have proof. Alright. Vybz Kartel. The King Vybz Kartel. Remember, in a pandemic, I say, I'm responsible for Vybz Kartel. And Butler, this is Rowan Butler who bring Vybz Kartel to the forefront and bring him to everybody. Butler was into his feelings because I never mentioned him name. But the argument I was talking about never include Butler. So at the time, I see why I'm in his feelings. So Butler, my friend. But Butler said, oh, Matterhorn. I'm going to do a live and say, remember, me give you Vybz Kartel, I never play it. I say, Butler, because I'm a fucking king, I play it when I feel like. You are Kartel, can't tell me when to play Kartel. Kartel, are you one boss, and me one boss. Me play it when me feel like. And I said, Butler, I am going to New York, retete. When I come back, I'm gonna play them. And I did come back and play them. I don't like say when me leave in bus. No, I'm go for a week and come back and I see a man bus them. Cause the first time a Vibes Cartel ignite the whole of Jamaica, a big section of Jamaica was over fully loaded. 2001. Now, bear in mind, if you're a Gaza fan, that means you have to go back. Gaza come way down to Vibes Cartel empire when it started built. And you would have known that history would tell you that when did Vibes Cartel was 2002. 2001, Matterhorn uses a Vibes Cartel dub plate and lock off Adonai. Who remember that? Remember, Trooper did come attack me too, but I have the proof and I am living testimony. Ricky Trooper gets some Vibes Cartel after. And then I'm going to show you something. Over and 2002, 2001. 2001. When you go so bam and fuck up Adonai over fully loaded with the Vibes Cartel. First thing, tell them some better than them. Real bad man are better than them. You see it? And not only that, at the time, Assassin bus 2001, Vibes Cartel bus 2002. At the time, if you are a fucking artist and you're in dancehall and you want bus in a bomber blood clot Kingston, Jamaica, Mobile, you have to come to Matterhorn, because Matterhorn are the biggest Jamaican selector. And me run all the events them that run Jamaica. Great Adventures, Ross, Fully Loaded, Stainless, Twisted Spirit, Gin and Ju. You see it? So, Delano's Revenge. So, all the bomber rascal you are going to bust if Matterhorn don't play you. Do that match then. More somebody answer the question before we move on. If you now get play upon fully loaded, overloaded, reloaded, Delano's Revenge, all of these things, how are you going to bust? How are you going to bust? If a Stone Lover run the place and Stone Love not play you, or Jamrock, when at the time in Jamrock and Travelers, if on a Jamrock or Stone Love, who bust you? You can't bust. You can't bust if the top man now play your son. You see how important selectors are? If the top selector will play upon all of the main events, now play your song, you can't bust. No care how bad your blood clot is. You're just gonna be bad and gone to the wayside. No care how wicked or lyrical you are going to the wayside if they done them now play. Wrong or right? You see it? So, do the math. Assassin. What do you Villaranai and them place there? What do you when me do the fix and me look for Assassin, cause Assassin are my youth, and me say, Sasko, you hurt my heart. Cause from time after time me see these artists hurt my heart. And sometimes I just get ignorant and curse out them blood clot, but certain people I don't curse out, like Assassin, I would not curse out Jeffrey, because Jeffrey is not that type of entity. You understand? Assassin a decent youth, him not in them something. So when I address him in a decent manner. You understand? I wouldn't address assassin in an aggressive manner. Agent Sasko, wanna call him. Assassin now. He's the decent one. So when I address assassin, I address him to how his nature is. And this man is not a violent person nor a virago person. So I will not address him like that. I address him intellectually. Intellectually, I addressed it on the fix. And I said, I felt a way when assassin said him grateful and him kept something say him grateful and him invite all of the people them who him grateful to, but you didn't fucking invite Tony Matterhorn. Now that's a disrespect, Jeffrey. That is a fucking disrespect. Cause the last time me check and me ball out my throat hole and say, I don't know that you tell me I'm assassin. Nobody no fucking know who Assassin. What, Assassin Creed? The video game never even start make yet. Never remember. They didn't even know who that is. When I play Assassin.
Thank you for watching my viewers and subscribers. And those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Bless upon yourself, my people. That is it.